This is the new revised science lab kit from 𝗖𝗹𝘀. It has been updated as per the new curriculum from NCERT from class 6th to 10th, and it has about 100 activities on all these topics that you can see: matter, motion, forces, energy, sound, electricity and magnetism, spherical mirrors, lenses, human eye, light, shadows and reflection, chemistry, biology, and some material for common activities. All the very detailed user manuals are there. Physics part 1, physics part 2, chemistry has different activities: acids, bases, food testing, chemical reactions, and biology is about plants, human body, microorganisms. Each box has the material for the respective activities, and there are 5 sets of material for most activities. So for example, if I open the chemistry box, you will see complete material for the activities for acids and bases, components of food and chemical reactions. If you look at the material for food testing, so you can test starch, glucose, fat, protein, etc. in the food items. All the material for chemical reactions, all the materials for acids and bases, indicators and such, some other equipment like conical flask and bottles, etc. to perform all these activities. Similarly, if you look at the box for electricity and magnetism, you will have complete material for all these activities like electric circuit, effects of electric current, electrochemistry, magnets activities, toy motors, some wires, digital multimeter, and magnetic levitation. So all the material is here. So for example, this one is for electric circuit. So your cells, battery holders, LEDs, resistance, separate battery, foam for creating circuits. Okay. We have a material for electrochemistry. You can make your own lemon battery, do electrolysis and other related activities. We have magnets activities, which have 3 types of magnets, about 20 of them in all the quantity. We have compasses, pencil, so you can do a lot of activities for magnets, attraction, repulsion, using the compass, and many related activities. There is a digital multimeter for students to be able to learn about measurements of electricity like AC and DC voltage and current, resistance, etc. Some wires, some solar cells, some toy motors, etc. So similarly, all the boxes have the related material to be able to do all the activities. There are more than 100 activities covered in this lab kit, covering from class 6 to class 10th. The kit is especially useful for those schools which do not have sufficient lab infrastructure in the school, and they are planning to put a science lab, or they want to do science activities in a very low budget. So you don't have to set up the very expensive science lab. This is ready to use material. If you buy today, tomorrow you will be able to start activities with your students. So connect with us to find more information on how you can use experiential learning for your students.